Welcome to our new video. Today, we'll be discussing the recent trend in the crypto market worldwide, with a focus on the latest developments. Number 1. Net Bitcoin ATMs record an increase after 4 months of global downtrend. In the first 4 months of 2023, the global number of crypto ATMs had declined by 5,850, according to data from Coin ATM Radar. This trend was due to numerous factors, including dwindling economies in major countries like the US. However, in May, there was a significant turnaround with nearly 1,400 new ATM installations worldwide, breaking the year-long pattern of declining numbers. Australia, Poland, and Spain bucked this trend by increasing their number of crypto ATMs, even as the US saw a decline. In 2023 alone, Australia installed a total of 233 ATMs, making it the third largest crypto ATM hub in the world. The US maintains its leadership position, representing 84.7% of crypto ATMs worldwide, followed by Canada at 7.6%. While Bitcoin ATMs don't directly contribute to the growth of the Bitcoin network, they are a vital gateway through which people can exchange their fiat currencies for cryptocurrencies. However, the recent rise of crypto ATMs globally also posed a new security risk. Just recently, there was news of a hacker accessing sensitive information of Bitcoin ATM manufacturer, General Bytes. As reported by Cointelegraph, the hacker managed to drain at least 56 BTC and 21.82 Ether after obtaining passwords, private keys, and funds. As a result, General Bytes implemented measures to prevent further unauthorized access to their systems and advised their operators and customers to migrate to a self-hosted server installation secured by a virtual private network. Cryptocurrency ATMs must put in place robust security measures to prevent hacking and protect customers' interests. The current global tally for operational cryptocurrency ATMs stands at 35,069. Although there was a decline in the number of crypto ATMs in 2023, the recent trend in May proves that the popularity and acceptance of cryptocurrencies continue to grow globally. Number 2. BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes predicts a Bitcoin bull market ahead, says to expect fireworks. Welcome to today's news report. BitMEX exchange founder Arthur Hayes has given a bullish outlook for Bitcoin, predicting a bull run for the cryptocurrency amid reduced market activity. Hayes says the Federal Reserve's recent rate hike will trigger the bull run for Bitcoin. The BitMEX founder suggests that the Fed may have to print more money to pay interest on reserve balances, thereby increasing liquidity in the market, indicating that wealthy asset holders who receive interest payments from the Fed invest in risk assets such as gold, Bitcoin, or AI tech stocks. Hayes outlines that he believes the fireworks and the real Bitcoin bull market will begin in the late third and early fourth quarter of this year. However, American summer months tend to always disappoint, leading to reduced crypto market activity temporarily. Hayes suggests that he doesn't expect Bitcoin to retest $20,000 or come anywhere close in the next few months. But, as money gradually trickles into the global risk asset market, strong support will form, making Bitcoin a beneficiary of the wealth being printed by the US government for their wealthy asset holders. Hayes comments that volatility and trading volumes always disappoint in the Northern Hemisphere's summer months, meaning that traders might be bored with the current market conditions. However, he suggests that he will use this time of calm to slowly increase his allocation to Bitcoin after the Treasury's general account is replenished. As more pundits start talking about what is happening to the billions of dollars printed by the Fed and the US Treasury and handed out as interest, it will become common knowledge once more that the money printer is going brr. So, in conclusion, when the printer goes brr, Bitcoin goes boom. Number 3. Russia's sanctioned Rosbank eyes up crypto to move money overseas. One of Russia's biggest banks, Rosbank, has announced that it will use cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. The bank, which has already piloted transactions with corporate and private clients, was sanctioned by the US Treasury Department last year, along with its owner, oligarch Vladimir Oligovich Potanin, who Bloomberg lists as Russia's richest man. Rosbank is now reported to be working with fintech company bCrypto on the project, but it is not yet clear which cryptocurrency the bank will use. Potanin is a keen advocate of the digital economy and has spoken about the potential of tokenized assets and a central bank digital currency, which he believes could help move the country forward. Deputy Finance Minister Alexei Moiseyev has also spoken about Russia's exploration of stable coins for payments with friendly countries, with the aim of avoiding the need to transact in dollars or euros. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets, such as the US dollar or gold, and do not experience the same volatility as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Russia has a complicated relationship with cryptocurrency, with the country's central bank calling for a ban on Bitcoin mining and transactions last year, while the finance ministry has called for regulation to encourage innovation. Even President Vladimir Putin has expressed interest in Russia becoming a Bitcoin mining hub. The government has explored the idea of a state-run crypto exchange, but lawmakers have since abandoned it in favor of regulating private digital asset companies. Number 4. Coinbase to launch Bitcoin and Ether futures contracts for institutional investors on June 5. Popular cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, has announced that it will be launching Bitcoin and Ethereum futures contracts for institutional investors on the 5th of June. The products will be launched through the CFTC-regulated Coinbase derivative exchange and promise lower fees than other US-regulated derivatives exchanges. The company has partnered with leading futures commission merchants, brokers and front-end providers to enable institutional clients seamless access to these contracts. The Coinbase Bitcoin and Ether futures contracts will be accessible through leading third-party institutional futures commission merchants and brokers. To help investors manage their portfolios effectively, BTI and ETI will be available in 1 Bitcoin and 10 Ether contracts. This decision to launch these futures contracts follows the release of Nano Bitcoin and Nano Ether contracts earlier. Coinbase has also been exploring friendlier jurisdictions over the past 2 months, securing a license in Bermuda, where a crypto regulation has been in place since 2018. Based in Bermuda, the company launched the Coinbase International Exchange for non-US institutional investors, a derivatives exchange offering perpetual futures contracts. Furthermore, Coinbase is believed to be evaluating options in the European Union and the UK for setting its base. Although Coinbase says it's committed to the US, its disillusionment with the world's largest crypto market came recently when regulators signaled that they might investigate the company's staking services, calling them unregulated securities. While Coinbase has refuted these claims, the regulatory scrutiny of crypto firms in the US has become more intense in the past few months, especially after FTX's collapse. With the prolonged downturn keeping crypto firms under check, big entities like Coinbase must look beyond the US to retain their leadership position in the crypto business. Coinbase plans to empower institutional participants with greater precision in managing crypto exposure, expressing directional views, or tracking Bitcoin and Ether returns in a capital-efficient way. That's all for today's update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.